Dogs don't disobey, they get confused, and 90% of owners create that confusion without realizing it. This is the exact method dogs understand. Let that sink in for a second, because if your dog doesn't listen, ignores commands, or only obeys sometimes, the problem is almost never stubbornness. It's mixed signals, it's timing, it's humans speaking a language dogs don't understand, and then getting frustrated when the dog doesn't respond. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a dog obey instantly. Not by shouting, not by punishment, not by treats every 5 seconds, but by using the one communication system dogs are biologically wired to follow. This is the same system dogs use with other dogs. Once you understand it, obedience becomes fast, calm, and almost automatic. Most owners unknowingly train their dog to ignore them. They repeat commands, they beg, they negotiate, they talk too much. To a dog, that sounds like noise, not leadership. Dogs don't understand sentences. They understand clarity, consistency, and consequences. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Most people say a command and then wait. Sit. Dog doesn't sit. Sit, 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 sit please, come on. What you just taught your dog is that the first command means nothing. The dog learns, I can wait, nothing happens. By the 5th repetition, the dog may finally respond, and now the dog thinks obedience is optional. Dogs learn from what happens immediately after behavior, not from what you say you want. Instant obedience starts with this rule. You give a command only once, not loudly, not angrily, just once, calm, neutral, confident. But here's the key part most people miss. After the command, something must happen every single time. If the dog obeys, reward. If the dog doesn't, guide, correct, or reset calmly. Dogs don't learn from delayed reactions. If 5 seconds pass with no consequence, the learning window is closed. This is why timing matters more than strength, volume, or dominance. Now let's talk about how dogs actually understand leadership. Dogs don't follow the loudest individual. They don't follow the strongest. They follow the most predictable and calm leader. In a dog's brain, leadership means safety. The leader controls movement, space, and resources. When your dog sees you as unpredictable, emotional, or inconsistent, obedience collapses. That's why yelling makes things worse. That's why pleading doesn't work. That's why chasing your dog when they run away teaches them to run faster. Instant obedience starts when your body speaks before your mouth does. Dogs read body language first, tone second, words last. If your body says maybe, but your mouth says come, the dog listens to your body. So here's the method dogs understand. First, stillness before command. Before you give any command, stop moving, square your shoulders, face your dog, breathe, calm energy. This alone changes how your dog perceives you. Dogs interpret stillness as confidence. Second, short, neutral command. One word, not emotional, not excited, not threatening. Sit, come, down. No name before the command. Saying the name excites the dog. The command should be clean and simple. Third, immediate follow-through. This is where instant obedience is built. If you say sit and your dog doesn't sit within 2 seconds, you don't repeat the word. You calmly guide the dog into the sit position using a leash, hand signal, or body pressure, gently and without anger. Why does this work? Because dogs learn by association, not explanation. The dog learns, when I hear this sound, this action happens. Over time, the dog chooses the easier option, obeying immediately. Now let's fix the biggest obedience killer. Accidental rewards. Most owners reward bad behavior without realizing it. Dog jumps on you, you talk, push, or touch them. That's attention. Dog barks, you yell. That's engagement. Dog refuses to come, you chase. That's a game. Dogs repeat behaviors that get results. Instant obedience requires rewarding calm and ignoring chaos. When your dog obeys, the reward doesn't have to be food every time. Calm praise. Touch, release to freedom. Dogs value freedom more than snacks once trust is built. Now let's talk about tone. Dogs don't hear words like humans, they hear emotion. High-pitched voices excite, low, steady voices calm. If you want instant obedience, your voice should sound boring. That's a good thing. Excited commands create excited dogs. Calm commands create controlled dogs. Now here's something most trainers won't tell you. If your dog only obeys when you have treats, your dog isn't trained, they're negotiating. Treats should teach behavior, not buy it forever. The method is simple. Teach with treats, fade treats gradually, replace with praise, touch, and freedom. Now let's apply all of this to the most important command, come. This command saves lives. Never call your dog for punishment, ever. Never call your dog and then leash them every time. Never repeat the word. Call once. If the dog comes, massive, calm praise. If the dog doesn't, calmly go get the dog, bring them back to the original spot, and reset. The dog learns ignoring doesn't give freedom, coming does. Instant obedience is built when listening becomes the fastest path to comfort. Now let's talk about consistency, the invisible rule dogs live by. If one day jumping is allowed and the next day it's not, your dog isn't being disobedient, they're confused. Dogs need black and white rules. Not sometimes, not maybe, always or never. Everyone in the house must follow the same rules. One person breaking structure destroys weeks of training. Now here's the most powerful part of this method. Energy beats technique. You can say the perfect command, but if your energy is nervous, frustrated, or unsure, the dog feels it instantly. Dogs evolved to read energy for survival. So before training your dog, you must regulate yourself. Slow breathing, relaxed shoulders, calm confidence. The moment you stop trying to control your dog and start communicating clearly, obedience improves fast. Now let's talk about time expectations. Instant obedience is not magic. It's repetition with clarity. Most dogs show visible improvement in 7 days. Strong reliability forms in 21 days. Deep habit forms about 60 days. But here's the truth. Dogs don't forget rules. Humans do. When obedience breaks down, go back to basics. One command, one outcome, every time. Let's summarize the exact method dogs understand. Say the command once. Follow through every time. Reward calm obedience. Ignore chaos. Control your energy. Be consistent. Dogs don't need force. They don't need fear. They need clarity. When your dog finally understands you, something incredible happens. They relax. They stop testing. They stop guessing. Because a dog who understands the rules feels safe. And when a dog feels safe, obedience becomes natural. Remember this, your dog isn't trying to dominate you. They're trying to understand you. The moment you speak your dog's language, clarity, timing, and calm leadership, obedience stops being a struggle and starts becoming effortless. If this helped you see your dog differently, apply it today. One command, one result, calm energy. Your dog has been waiting for clear communication all along.